Good morning, happy Friday. We made it through the week. I'm so proud of you guys. Hopefully this video will work okay for us. For today, you are looking at reading for a little bit, and then you're going to go to Google Classroom Reading, and you are going to click on an assignment called Reading Skill Focus, Inferencing Number 1. You will notice on this that I have given an example and done one of the inferencing sheets for you already so that you can see what the expectations are. Then you are to complete the second slide so that you can show me that you know how to do this. Here's the reading skill focus sheet that you will open up in Google Classroom Reading. Slide 1, again, I've done for you already. You can see all the words filled in. At the top of the picture, remember we've done these in class before, you're making 5 observations about what you're seeing. So I made an observation saying that there are 2 tents, they're by a campfire, they're in the woods, they're outside, and there are boys and girls. So remember your observations are things that you can actually see. What can you actually point out from this picture? As we move on into the bottom part, let me zoom in so you can see a little bit here. We're answering these questions and we are trying to do a really nice job with our complete sentences. I had to make this font smaller. I made it smaller here for you guys as well, but you might have to change it depending on how much you write, okay? So number 1 says, what inference can you make of the time of year this picture was taken? I said that I can infer that the time of the year this picture was taken was the summertime because the kids are wearing shorts and usually people camp in the summer. So based on this picture, what was I able to infer? All right. You're going to continue making inferences based on the picture down here on the answer part. Please make sure I should see all of your sentences starting with I can infer, since that's what you're practicing for this skill for the sheet. Over here in the apply it, there's a little story for you to read. Then you'll make 3 of your own inferences based on the story. So you've made inferences based on a picture here. Now you're going to make inferences based on the story at this part here, so this group right there. All right. Your job then will be to do the same thing on this next slide. So you look at this picture of this little girl here. She's laying on the couch with a blanket and her dog, and you're going to make some different observations. Please make sure you do 5 of these, okay? After you make your observations and you type them here, and I'm okay if your observations are in caveman talk, that's fine. Once you make your 5 observations, then you'll go ahead and you'll answer these questions. Why do you think the dog is laying on the couch? Well, because we're practicing inferencing, you can still answer. I infer the dog is laying on the couch because. How do you think the little girl on the couch feels? I infer the little girl on the couch feels. What do you think the little girl is doing? I infer the little girl is doing, and whatever your answers are, okay? Same thing over here. You really should be starting with I can infer that based on your reading of this little passage right here, okay? So 3 inferences. Observations, inferences, you already have an example done for you, okay? So you should be okay with that one. When we go back, we're going into writing. You are clicking on the paragraph writing. You are continuing to work on this. You have been working on this for the past couple days. Some of you have been doing a wonderful, wonderful job. I've seen some great examples of people that bring you joy to your life. So if I can find it, there we go. So you should have already done the brainstorming part, your outlining of your notes, your topic sentence, your details, your concluding sentence, and here we are finally on day 3. So the 2 slides that are the green, day 3. For day 3, you are going to be typing your final draft, okay? Here, you're going to start typing in your transition words, any descriptive words you may need. Some of you have been challenged to know about compound sentences and complex sentences. This would be a great time to use them. Your final draft will go on this page here, okay? So this one, when we look at, kind of might be more of like a note page for you. So you might write something like, I can use similes to compare my mom to a sunny day. Or if you're getting to the point where you're ready to type, you've already kind of put that in, I'm really okay. I'm giving you permission to skip this page. You can do page 13 and just start your final draft. Okay? Don't forget you have art today. And then, of course, please continue to add to the daily writing slides. You guys have been doing a great job picking the ones that you're interested in. After that, for math, you're going to have a fraction review to go through. You'll see I'm going to post a video for this, and it'll show some of the work already done for you. Just do what has not been completed yet. And then you're going to go ahead and continue working on the energy hyperdoc. Your goal is to only do slides 21 and 22 today. So electrical energy. All right, I hope to see you guys on Zoom later today as well. Have a great day. Bye.